Dear traders, in this video you are going to master the skill of the super trend best settings. So basically guys, I am a trader as well and I am using the super trend for a very long period of time, and this is one of the best indicator available on TradingView completely for free. Yes guys, this indicator is free and I think you guys know it very much, but the problem is that this indicator also gives some false signals like other indicators. Like you can see on a USD JPY that how you can perform very well when you have a buy signal here, then sell, then buy, then sell. So this is the problem. So this is a huge problem for the newbie traders, because this indicator is especially for the new beginners who are just entering into the trading market. This is the first recommendation for those traders. So guys, first of all, let's talk about the different signals so that you can see, like we have seen false signals on USD JPY 1 minute chart. USD CAD was fine. Okay, AUD JPY. Now just note down that these the green means the buy, the red means the sell, the buy, then sell. Okay, so we are going to remove these bad signals so that we can get the best usage from the super trend indicator. First of all guys, please note that when we go to the indicator section, you just have to put into favorites the simple super trend. Do not go for the other super trend indicators, because the simple one is the best one, right? Okay, now I'm going to take you towards the second step of the settings. So we have seen some bad signals on AUD JPY and I think USD JPY, and this is the 1 minute chart, right? Okay, so first let's get started with the settings. Okay, so we are trying to remove the false signals. So let's see that how this performs. So going to the settings, then sorry, this is not the right one. If we right click here into the settings section, then if we go here, yes, now it's asking for you about the ATR length and the factor that is 3 and the ATR length that is 10. Okay, so guys, basically the problem with our newbie traders that they do not have the professional experience of the trading market. So what they do, they are using this super trend on the default settings. However, I don't say that every indicator needs to change its settings, but this indicator definitely needs to change its settings to improve your trading results, and you can get very good results. So let's talk about here. Instead of 10 ATR length, guys, what I use personally, that is 20. Right, so the ATR length should be 20 and now the factor should be 5. Okay, now I'm going to press OK, then you will see. Okay guys, now you can see that there were so many false signals here. Now you can see the false signals are mostly removed and now the good signals are coming, right? And however, this is the 1 minute chart, and let's go to AUD JPY. We had false signals, right? Okay, look at here. Now this looks completely fine because it was red, that was fine, buy, that was fine. Okay, if we now look at this factor, if we again change these settings, if we go to the settings again, let me change it again back to 10 and the factor was 3. Now you will see the results again. Look, so guys, now you can see there are so many false signals. That's not good for your trading. Instead, you need to work on the settings again, and then we are going back, because this is the setting that I personally use, because this setting is not very much delayed and this is very good for scalping as well as other long tradings. So let me take you towards the not the 5 minute. You can use this indicator at any time frame. That's not a problem with this settings, but I'm telling you, look, sell, down, up, completely perfectly. Okay, now if you remember my lesson that always trade with the trend, for example, if I make the trend line here, then what the trend is? The trend is into the upward trend, so I ignored the red signals here. So if you ignore this one, the other indicator, it is providing you with a buy again and it's successful again, right? Let's have a look on gold 15 minute. You can see guys, down, up, somehow up, then down is running as well, right? On the 15 minute, you can use any kind of time frame. Okay, so these are the best settings that I have told you. 20 into 5 factor, this is going to work completely fine. Okay guys, now again remember my lesson. What is the trend going on USD JPY? That's the uptrend. You have received the sell signal, ignore this one, and when again the next buy signal appears, go for that one, because normally in the upward trend you should not go for the sell signals. Like USD CAD 15 minute, completely fine. The market is going completely fine as per the super trend, but we don't have received a sell signal. If the sell signal will come, I will simply ignore this one and I will take the red signal. Oh, sorry, the green one. Okay, now let's have a look on Great Britain Pound JPY. This is a 15-minute time frame. So guys, what the trend is about? That's very simple. The trend is going down. So what you need to do here? So guys, look at here. There already come a buy signal. You should ignore this one. And now look, it is telling you sell, because if you look at the red line here, it is telling you sell. So into the downtrend, you should go for the sell direction. This is how I personally trade, and that's what I am also recommending to my subscribers, so that they should not lose from the trading market. Now guys, you can take the better swing trading on the 15-minute chart, because even if you look at AUD JPY, look how long the trends are going. So what is your duty? Your duty is to minimize the risk. I mean, you should go with a 0.01 lot size as per your trading account, if your trading account can bear the good lot sizes. But please make sure that this is not a kind of an instant strategy. This is mainly for the swing trading. You need to have patience, and you need to be in the control of your lot size. So if you don't have a control, then guys, go for the 1 minute time frame. This could help you. Otherwise, you will be in problem if you are using the ATR length 20/5, because this is mostly for the swing traders, and this is also good for the 1 minute time frame. But you need to keep an eye. Do not use a very aggressive lot size. And in the end of the day, now you have seen in front of your eyes that most of the false signals are removed. Look guys, this is the 1 minute chart, and there are a lot of signals come normally, but you can see very less false signals are coming, just one here, and most of the trends are very smooth. And this indicator is telling you that I am very smooth. And guys, please use the settings that I am recommending you, that is 20/5, and enjoy the profitable trading. So guys, what about these settings? If you like these settings, please tell me about these settings into the comment section. How you find the results with these settings, please update me into the comment section, and I will reply to everyone. Thank you for watching this video.